Hi students, welcome to Shaker's History classes. We are discussing about UPSC previous year questions. We are discussing here about question related to Buddhism. This question is very interesting one because in very rarely UPSC gives same question second time. But however, this question was asked in just within 2 years, same question was repeated. This is in 2015. Just before 2015, in 2014, same question was asked except changing the options. Now you can see same question, only in B, C, D, there is some change in the options. So the answer for both questions is same. Now we will see how to answer this question. Here the question is about the locations. Which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddha? It is asking about the kingdoms associated with life of Buddha. What is the lifetime of Buddha? Always remember the lifetime of Buddha is 563 BC to 483 BC. Because these dates are important, birth date and this is the death year, and this is the same year when first Buddhist council was held. Around this time period, Ajatashatru was the ruler of Magadha kingdom. For this reason, we have to remember these dates. Some change may be there in either 563 or 560, but this is mostly accepted timeline. Now we will see. This is what is the time zone. This is the time period of Mahajanapadas. In our ancient history, this is the 6th century and 5th century BC is regarded as the age of Mahajanapadas. There were 16 great kingdoms. Among them, Magadha was the most powerful one. Magadha kingdom. Similarly, there are some other kingdoms which are neighboring Magadha kingdom. For example, there was Kosala kingdom, then Vatsa kingdom, Anga kingdom. Along with these kingdoms, these were monarchies ruled by single ruler. At the same time, there were some republics. The republics like Sakya Republic, Vajji Confederacy. Vajji Confederacy, it is the republic combination of different republics. So Sakya and Vajji are two important republics in our history because Sakya kingdom or Sakya Republic is associated with Buddha, whereas Vajji is associated with Mahavira. Therefore, Sakya and Vajji both are important with respect to religious reform movements in 6th century and 5th century BCE. Now we will see what is the geographic location associated with Buddha. Here the question is about which of the following kingdoms are associated with the life of Buddha? Avanti, Gandhara, Kosala and Magadha. Magadha kingdom, Kosala kingdom, Gandhara, Avanti. Now we will see what are the important kingdoms around this time period. I will show you the map. Here you can see Magadha, Kosala, Kashi, Vatsa, Chedi, Saurashena, Gandhara, Cambodia. Gandhara is located in northwestern part of India. Avanti is located in central part of India. Buddha in his lifetime, now if we see his birthplace and death place, we will get complete idea in which geographic location he was roaming. Now we will see Sakya, it is the republic where he was born. Here Lumbini, it was the birthplace. He travelled in this path and he reached Magadha kingdom. Here Bodh Gaya, it is the place where he got enlightenment. After getting enlightenment, he traveled and he reached west side, and for the first time he preached his teachings in Saranath. Saranath is located in Kasi kingdom. It is the place where first sermon was delivered. Later he shifted and he was mostly locating in Shravasti. Shravasti was the capital of Kosala kingdom. Most of his lifetime he was there and he was preaching his ideas. And finally he died in Kushinagara. Kushinagara is in Malla Mahajanpada, where he died. Now we see, it is the birth. Lumbini is the birthplace, Bodh Gaya is enlightenment place, Saranath is first sermon, and Kushinagara or Kushinara is the death place. He was there around this place only. He used to walk every day. According to one tradition, he used to walk every day 200 kilometers. He used to reach people and he used to deliver sermons about his new ideas. However, in his lifetime, he was staying in the eastern part of Gangetic plain only. He did not come either Avanti or Gandhara. He did not reach the upper Gangetic plains. Now we will see. The question is asking about which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddha. Avanti he did not reach, Gandhara he did not reach, Kosala and Magadha he was reaching. 3 and 4, where 3 and 4, D is the answer. Same is the case of 2014 also. Which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddha? Avanti, no. Gandhara, yes, no. Kosala and Magadha, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is C. So answer is C. So this question is very interesting one in our UPSC question paper history. We have to remember 16 Mahajanapadas. If you know this map and if you know in which location Buddha was preaching his ideas, then we can easily answer this question. Thank you.